Handy Sandy welcomes you to the Science Museum here in London. And we start off with the Dalek from Doctor Who at the Science Museum. Theme science fiction in London. We shall exterminate science fiction. And another Dalek. And a very appropriate heading, Making the Modern World. Let's have a look. These date back to 1803, these steam engines. This is the barograph clock by Alexandra Cumming. 1766. Manufacturing by machine, 1800s to 1860. Look what these guys were up to in those days. Sewing machines, firearms, printing presses. Busy boys, I reckon. And of course, cotton. Paper loom, to be precise, from 1851. An 1868 locomotive. Locomotive. Makes a big impression. Here we have a hand loom from 1825. Many items over the turn of the 1700s manufactured. No wonder it's called the Industrial Revolution. You know, the very important and quite visible facts. So much of our technologies derived from this era. This is a mail coach from 1820 that was doing the London to York run, the Royal Mail. Very handsome. Of course, horse-drawn. And believe it or not, lawnmowers. This is a lawnmower from 1832. A camera, no less, from 1839. Have a look at this. And the quality? Perfectly okay. The penny farthing. Early bicycles. Machinery and manufacturing. It must have been quite incredible in those days. Similar in many respects to our last 20 years, 30 years, the technology and the evolution of the internet and incredible communication that we have now. An Aveling Porter from Rochester in Kent. No wonder England was an imperium.